gets tired of going that way, she takes over and goes this way, right?
Like if you want to go drive on that side, you can drive that way.
Hi, my name's Eric. I was looking for something to attract attention to my business. And I was looking for a blimp or a balloon or something. And I went on eBay, I couldn't find anything that I liked. There was no blimps or balloons or anything. I came up with this. The truck originally was from Arizona. It had been built by a Chevy dealership and a GMC dealership in the old days, and they used to just park it in front of one or the other, and they would use it to attract attention to their place. I have the world's biggest trunk. It's actually very practical. My plate is an interesting story. I went down to the DMV a couple months ago and I told the girl down there that I needed an application for a vanity plate. And before I told her what I wanted, I showed her a picture of the truck. And she said, "What the f***?" And I said, no, I said, "They won't let me have that." I said, "So I'm just getting what the..." It's hard to have a bad day and drive this truck. About 15 years ago, I had a Monday. It was so bad, I was still in a bad mood on Tuesday. I had to go to get some parts, hopped in the truck, and I was driving up there. And everybody's pulling up beside me and they're giving me the thumbs up and they're smiling. Finally, I looked over at this guy and he just had this smile from ear to ear and he was going like this. And I looked at him and I kind of cracked a little smile and it was like the curse was lifted. I couldn't be in a bad mood anymore. All I can say, it's just, I have more fun driving this than anything I've ever driven. I drive this and I get my picture taken every 2 minutes, so it's pretty cool.